often in life, the beginning of an endeavor is the hardest part because you have to build the momentum. We now know that sadhana is a path of practice, a path of discipline, a path of wisdom, and a path of illumination. So every time we get onto our mat, every day we're showing up, moving through this program, these are the various things that we are strengthening within our lives. For the first few months of this program, it may feel that way, where you're expending a lot of energy to build that momentum. But at some point, you reach escape velocity, and then you soar.